So let's start.
Yes, sir.
Hi, dear boys. How are you?
Sir, I am
We're fine,
fine.
sir.
And you?
I am also.
We're fine, sir.
Welcome to our online class again. You know very well that in our previous three classes, we discussed transformation sentences, and it was regarding the assertive and exclamation sentence. Yes. In first two classes, we learned about changing assertive to exclamatory. There we faced four rules. And in our third classes, we discussed about transforming from exclamatory to assertive. In that day, we could able to discuss only rule number. So from there, we'll start today. So I think as in our third class we discussed about transforming from exclamatory to assertive rule number one. Today we will discuss the second rule, especially from exclamatory to assertive. I have already written it in the blackboard. Look here. There is written transformation of sentences part one. This is the second part of the part one. In part one, we have to face two rules. One rules we already discussed. And today we will discuss the second rule of exclamatory sentence, and that is here. Okay, boys. Now I am writing the rules. Now I am writing the rules on the board. Everybody will follow me. Boys, do you catch me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you
Sound
clearly.
clear? Sound okay?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am writing the rule number 2.
Sir, we can see you.
Oh, we can't share. No.
Hey, Fahim Ahmed, please mute your device.
Okay, the ink in the pen has become very thin. Okay, that's why the writing is not totally clear, but I am helping you to understand the writing on the board. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. If how is added, if how is added,
হ্যাঁ আমি কালাস করি
if how is added at the beginning of the sentence, the structure is like this. Again, I am saying if how not of okay, look here. If how is added at the beginning of this structure. I am writing now the structure.
Fahimid Ahmed, please mute your device. Fahim, Fahmid, please mute your device.
Head word. What is head word? Say. What a head word is. Who can say? You can say what a head word is.
Sir, there are so many extra noise. Please mute everyone.
The head word means the main word of a sentence.
Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. Head word means the head word. That means the principal word. That means the leading word of the sentence. There are many words in a sentence. All of them are not. All of the words are not the main or leading words. There may be only one or two words that can lead the whole sentence. Three word or words which lead or lead the whole sentence is called a head word. That means you will take it as the subject. Head word can be recognized like subject. So, if I start a sentence like this, can I erase the structure? Can I erase the structure, student? I am erasing the structure because now I will have to write the example, and that's why I am now erasing the structure of the code. Pen is not serving oil. All the pens are not serving oil. Okay, guys. Now, here I have written down three sentences. First one is how interesting the news. How talkative the ladies. Can you know the meaning of the word talkative?
Bachal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, you are right. Can you say English? To speak too much. To speak too much is called talkative. Understand?
Yes.
How talkative the lady is when you use. So the next classes, upper classes, especially class 11 are in English, honors. Then you face some stories or novel. There you can come into contact with the lady, okay? And there is a play. In fact, intermediate or honors. The name of the play is Words. Okay. Here is a lady guest. In the story, the lady was okay. I think the name of the story is Lance. When we in class,
Sir, we can't hear you clearly, sir.
and the writer of the story.
Sir, everyone is making a lot of extra noise. Sir,
Sir,
please mute
please
everyone.
mute everyone. We can hear you clearly. We can't hear you clearly, sir.
Okay, now I'm trying.
Sir, so many extra noise.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Sir,
clear?
we can hear you, but there are some extra noises. Please, sir, mute everyone.
Mute everyone. Okay, I am muting.
Sir, please mute everyone.
Okay. Okay, now is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys. I told you that when you will be student of class 11, 12 or honors course, there you may face a story named The Lanson, written by William Somerset Maugham. There you will have to face a lady whose name is who has been described in the story as the name Lady Guest. In that story, you will have to the character of the lady guest that the lady guest is talkative in her character. And from there, I have taken the sentence how talkative the lady is. Okay, leave them. Now we will discuss our main topics: how interesting the news is, how pathetic the scenery is, how talkative the lady is. Now I am transforming. Okay, I am transforming. Student, look at me and watch the board carefully. According to the structure, I have written there that first of all you have to write the head order. So if I ask what that is called the head order here, the how interesting the news is. So the news is the head order. Is it correct?
Sir,
Yes.
the answer is the news is very interesting.
Okay. So okay. You will try to give the only answers. If I ask, you will listen to carefully. What is the question I'm asking you? What part I will ask you? Only you will give the answer of that part. Okay. Again, I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Again, I will say, what is the head word here? This is the question. Who can say? Head word.
Sir, the news.
Okay, the news. Dear boys, the news is the head word here. The news is the head word here.
Word.
So at first we will write the head word. And what is the head word? The news. So the news. And according to the structure, after writing head word, you are to allowed to write the verb. What is the verb here? This is the verb.
Is
Sir,
So
is,
we will write the news is. After writing verb, you are allowed to write down the word that is numeral word. And what is that? Very many mass.
Very. Very.
Okay, very many. The news is very. Okay, that was your last very. The news is very. And then the object. What is the object here? Interesting.
Interesting.
And in the note, you notice that how should be eliminated or removed. So how would be very Dear boys, is the answer correct? Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am asking,
Yes, sir.
now I am asking Alabir. Alabir,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Alabir, I am
Yes,
asking
sir.
you. I am asking you, what is the head word in the second example?
Sir, the head word of the second sentence is the scenery.
Visay, thank you very much. Answer is correct. And thank you. So, first of all, I will write down the subject. What is the subject? The scenery.
The scenery.
After writing the head word, what is the word? That is
The verb
permeated.
is, sir. Is the verb.
Verb. What is? After writing verb, what should be written down here? Very, very much.
Sir,
Okay?
very.
So I will write the sentence very. That is very. After writing very many marks, finally we will write the object. Okay, Ravi,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the object?
Pathetic. Pathetic, sir.
Okay. Fine, thank you. Now I am asking. Now I am asking KM Wafaidur Rahman. KM Wafaidur Rahman, can you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Ufaidur, I am not,
Yes, sir.
I am not watching your picture. Ufaidur,
Sir, I have. Yes,
is your
I have
camera
off
disturbed?
my camera.
Okay, Ufaidur, I am asking you. There is the third example. So, in third example, what is the head word here?
Sir, the lady.
The lady, fine. Thank you very much. The lady is the head word. So, first I will write the head word, the lady.
The lady.
Okay, after writing lady, what is the word that is allowed to write now?
So you have to write the verb eat.
Is, okay, is. The lady is, fine. And next, what is the next step?
Then you have to write very.
Very, the lady is very.
Very.
Okay. So last finishing.
And after that, at last, talkative. Talkative.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Your answer is correct. So, Faidur, I am suggesting you at the
Sir,
time
you,
of talking with the teacher, you and your, this type of word should be eliminated. You will never use you or your. Okay, you will use we. Okay? We or I.
yes, sir.
You said, sir, after writing lady, we have to write verb. Then we have to write very. Then at the finishing time, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am asking. Now I am asking to be ready. Nakshotra, my next question is to you. But before that,
Okay, sir.
before that I am erasing the board and I will write some examples and you will have to give the answer. Okay, follow me everybody. Now I am
Yes,
writing
sir.
another 3 examples. Once more. Athletic. Then how dangerous the robber is? How dangerous the robber is? Who can say? What is the meaning of the word robber? Robber. Who can say? What is the meaning of the word robber?
চোর ডাকাত
Dakat.
Thief.
So dakat.
What is the meaning of the word robber?
Dakat.
Dakat, sir.
ডাকাত
Thief, sir.
What is the meaning of the word robber? The
Sir,
person,
Dakat.
the person who rob something or who steal. Okay, showing fear or dangerous activities. Even in case of grab the asset from the person or victim. Even they sometimes kill something. The person who robbed something from somebody is called robber. So I am asking, Nakshatra, you are asking is how to attitude. I am asking you, look, Nakshatra, is there any mentioning of any verb?
No, sir.
There is no mentioning of any kind of verb. Because we
No,
know,
sir.
after finishing line of a sentence, especially for the summary, you can see usually the use of verb. But there is no use of any kind of verb. Rather, here, adjective has been used. Okay, it is an adjective, but there is no mentioning of any kind of verb. So we can say there is no verb. So, in the case of exclamatory sentence, usually we will find the verb at last of the sentence. But if we don't see that, then we can think that in that sentence there is no mentioning of verb. Even if there is no mentioning of verb, in this case, you will think that not only the verb, but the head word. Not only the verb, but the head word is also missing there. So in that case, we will have to borrow from the outside of the sentence it or any kind of
Eat and eat.
that is necessary for the sentence. That is relevant for the sentence. Okay, you can borrow any kind of head or object, any kind of head from the outside of the sentence, but relevant. The head word must be relevant with the sentence. So here, how pathetic. So there is no verb, no header. So you can say how pathetic this scenario is. You can write, you can take scenario, you can take the news, you can take it as header. Understand? So you can borrow it is, or the scenarios, or the news is. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
I think you all are better understood now. Okay, Nakshatra. So, what is the first step? What word should in it?
Sir, eat.
Nakshatra? Nakshatra.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the word? Now we will write.
Sir, eat.
Okay, it is.
It is very pathetic.
It is very pathetic. Thank you. Okay, Nakshatra, thank you very much. Now I am giving the floor to the boy who are there here. Alabir. Alabir,
Yes, sir.
now it is your turn. You will give the answer
Okay,
on the
sir.
second. Okay, my asking, Alabir, this is the set. How dangerous the robber is. Now my question is to you. Is there the use of verb in the sentence?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the verb?
Is.
Okay, thank you. Now, my second question is there the mentioning of head word in the sentence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the head word here?
Sir, the head word is the robber.
Okay, the robber. Now, my asking is to you, what is the object or adverbial word?
Sir, the object is dangerous.
Dangerous. Okay, so to write the answer, now what should I do now?
Sir, we have to write the head word first.
Fine, head word, robber. Okay, after writing head word, we will write
Sir,
the verb. What is the verb? Anabir?
the verb is, sir.
Is the robber is. Then,
Then we have to write very.
okay, thank you. The robber is very then.
And at last we have to write the object dangerous.
What is that?
Then we have to write the object dangerous.
Dangerous. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, boy. Thank you very much. Now, I'll give the floor to another boy. Who is there? Okay, I am giving Imtiaz. Imtiazuddin. Okay, Imtiaz.
Yes, sir.
Imtiaz. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
I am asking you, Imtiaz. This is the 5. This is the 5th number. The example number 5. And in this example, we are watching the sentence is like this. How daring you are. How daring you are. Okay. And now my asking is to you. What is the verb here?
Sir, I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
Okay, I am saying in this sentence, what is the verb?
R.
Okay, thank you. R is the verb. Then, what is the head word here?
U.
You. Fine, thank you. Okay, what is the object?
Daring.
Thank you very much. Now, the total answer. So, to write the answer, what word should be written down first?
The head word.
Head word you.
U.
Okay,
Then we have to write the verb.
are. You are. Okay, then
Very.
Very. Okay.
At last we have to write the object.
And what is the object?
Daring. Daring.
Daring. Okay, boys. I think today you all are understood about the transforming sentences, especially in the ground exclamative assertive. Today we discuss the second rule of exclamative assertive. If you have any question, you can ask me, boys. If you have any question, you can ask me. Do you have any question, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir, all clear.
I think today's discussion is clear to you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We have 4 or 6 more minutes in our hand. So now, today I will discuss another rules. In our tomorrow's class, we will discuss that. But within times, I have to discuss the previous rules again. Okay? So now we'll take a revise the previous rules. In our previous rule, especially from exclamative assertive, we learned about the using of hot. If hot is added at the beginning of the sentence, then the structure is another. And as an example,
Sir,
wrote out.
it is showing that we have less than 1 minute in the meeting.
Okay, I am not guessing. Okay, again say.
Sir, there is written that we have less than 1 minute for the meeting.
1 minute. Okay, only 1 minute. So, boys, we can't discuss the previous items. So, next time we will meet again. Okay. So, till that time, goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. Thank you very much. See you again.
Goodbye to you, sir.
Bye.
Goodbye,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Goodbye,